Hello everyone, here's a beautiful 1986 hit song. So everyone, I hope you guys like it. Especially to my good friend John M, celebrating his birthday. Happy birthday, brother. Thank you so much for helping me to improve my YouTube channel. And here's the song. I hope you guys like it.
Some people live their dreams. Some people close their eyes. Some people's destiny passes by. There are no guarantees. There are That's how our love must be. Don't ask why. It takes some time. God knows how long. I know that I can forget you as soon as my heart stops breaking. Anticipating, as soon as forever is through, I'll be over you. Remembering times gone by, promises we once made. What are the nothing stays the same. There were other nights holding you close. Someday I try to forget them as soon as my heart stops breaking. As soon as my heart stops breaking, anticipating, someday I'll be over you. As soon as my heart stops breaking, someday I'll be over you. As soon as my heart.
Thanks for watching. Please share. Thank you.